Alright everyone, hopefully you can hear me over all the noise in the background. And looking at Solana, so Solana may be getting stuck where it's getting stuck just for the fact that this was kind of the, I guess we'll call it the wick bottom before that FTX crash that happened there back in November. And you can see we're just getting stuck here at the top of this fib that we do have drawn, but also with this orange line. You do have a couple of bounces or a couple of touches, if you will, along here. So I just wanted to point that out there. You may be getting stuck at some kind of macro resistance area, just for the fact that it's just struggling to get over this 26.6 area. I'll just leave that there for now. And all the information we're getting on every other indicator just does not look good. There's a huge gap on the MACD here below the 0. RSI is below the 50. Heading down, the Heikinashi candle is printing red. They are not getting any bigger, but there is no shadow on top. So it has the trend to the downside at the moment and the momentum down. So what I would watch for, you can also see that we do have the blue and the yellow here, the 50 and the 21. The 21 looks like it wants to cross over the 50, which would be a bearish cross there. So if you end up bouncing at 20 here, where you're sitting at right now on this 236, I would imagine you're going to bounce right back up to 26, kind of like you did back here and back here. This one you were below the moving average, and you just climbed your way right back up to the top, bouncing right on the 50 there, then the 21, and then back to the top. So you may end up doing the same exact thing. But for the fact that you have all this bearish information here, is not a good sign, and the fact that you're about to have a bearish cross on the moving averages there is also not good for Solana here. So, after the crash, it climbed back up, but it just could not get back over this price area at 26. So we'll just measure this really quick to keep this kind of short. If you bounce at 20, and you get over your moving averages, you're looking at 26 once again for about a 32.5, 33% move back to the top up here. But there's only so many times this thing's going to come up here to test this resistance before it ends up breaking through it. So if you come up here again, you may very well break through it. But also notice you're also going to have your 200-day moving average here. So that'll be the first time you're coming up on your 200-day moving average in a while. So yeah, just keep that in mind. It's going to be heavy resistance once again if you do get up here. So yeah, like I said, it doesn't look great at the moment. So if you end up losing $20 on Solana here, your next stop is 16.8. You're looking at about a 16% drop once you lose 20. And then down here at your 0.5 at 14.5 for about a 27% drop, which I would say if you come down here, you should hold 14.5, just for the fact that you had all this resistance back here. So we'll put another orange line here instead of drawing a box. So if you do end up losing 20, and then coming down here to 16, I would say if you come down, this should be your new bottom at 14.50. So yeah, we'll leave it at that. Just watch all those prices on Solana, and not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.